Latest crypto and NFT news. The Sandbox announces Season's Greetings events on Metaverse. The Sandbox has announced Season's Greetings to commemorate the holiday season with 6 event festivities in the Metaverse. Players will get a chance to win exciting prizes including Sand tokens and exclusive NFTs. The events begin on December 20, 2022, and until January 3, 2023. The Metaverse platform is ready to celebrate Christmas and the New Year with its users as it announces new events. According to the Medium article, the Sandbox will open the past experiences from 2022 and also unveil new ones exclusively for the holiday season. The Season's Greetings also introduces social challenges, in which the users can enter the raffle to win an NFT and the rare mystery box by completing all specified challenges. Each participant will receive a special NFT reward for participating in the social challenges as well. Visit our website for more news.